guys, did you like to see this project? Do you want to make exactly the same? Then I have a kit for you guys. So I'm going to show you what you get when you order the kit. And then you can make exactly the same. So of course there is the big paper pack. Be a Wildflower. There are 78 sheets in total. 12 double-sided, 6 sheets each. And for the cover there is also a nice background. So actually you have 13 double-sided pages. So it's a big pile of paper that it's included. I also added 4 pages of this brown one. I use that for some edges. I use 4, so you don't need more. So I also added that inside. I have the 2mm very good quality chipboard for you guys added. I have the jute for the spine. I have the stickers, of course. I have the ribbons. I have the flowers. I have all the embellishments and the eyelets and the boas and everything that I used put in this bag. And then I also have a bonus, and you also get 3 of the stamps. Maybe they can be random stamps. They are not all the same. So yep, that is included. So send me just an email if you like to get this kit, and be hurry. I need a limited edition. So see you next time. Send me just an email, guys. Email. It's to be found under this video. Under every video, by the way. Thanks for watching. Oh, one just last tip. If you want to see if I have more kits or paper packs or printable sets, then check the link below each video. It's called Markt Plaza, I think. And in that link, there is a website called Markt Plaza, and there you can watch what I have. You can't order there. It's an only to watch website, but you can see all what I have in stock. I try to update that every month, but you can see there everything what I have. So check that out if you want to see more of my products. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Email me. Don't forget. Email. Bye bye.